If you got a Samsung Galaxy A55 smartphone, 5G model, check out these shooting methods on your camera app. Now let's go ahead and get started. To make use of these awesome camera features, make sure you're using the default camera app that your Samsung phone came with. As you tap on it one time, you'll be taken to this view mode here where you can see, well, your camera. So you want to tap on the settings icon right up here at the top left. Then you'll be taken to the camera settings section. Now I want you to go down until you see the part that says shooting methods right there. As you tap on it one time, you will now see these different shooting methods. And for some of you, this might not be useful, and for some of you, this will be really awesome. So the first thing you'll notice is the pressing of the volume buttons to use it as a control for your camera. These right here, your volume buttons are these. And if you tap on it here one time, you can take a picture or record a video. The cool one that I like is the zoom in and zoom out. And I'll show you that in a moment here. And you also have it to just simply function as your sound controls while using the camera all the time instead of having it function as a key to using something on your camera, such as zoom in or recording. So I would recommend having it set to the zoom in and zoom out. That's going to be really useful. So the next one is the voice commands, and I'll show you all these in a moment. Your voice commands, basically, when you have that turned on, you will be able to say the word smile, cheese, capture, or even shoot. And if you want to record a video in the video recording mode, just simply say record video and it's going to start recording for you. Pretty cool stuff. It's not on every Samsung phone, but if you got an A55, you should have it. The next one is the floating shutter button. So usually we have a single floating shutter button, which would be on the right or left side, depending on your view mode. But you can also have one right where you would usually tap on the camera area to take a shot. There would be a floating button right there. And of course, that show palm. Usually if you want to take a selfie, we would usually do that hand wave thing, and then the camera will detect it and take a picture for us. So if you've been doing that and it's not working, you want to make sure that this feature is enabled. Now with all that said and done, let's come out of here. We'll come out of here once. So the first thing you'll notice is being able to use your controls here, your volume controls, as a zoom in and zoom out. So I'll just go ahead and do that here for you. When I press this down, it's gonna zoom in. You can watch it there. So I'm gonna zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, and I can also zoom out. The next thing is being able to use the voice commands. So I'm gonna go here right now. Let me just adjust this here so it can be in portrait mode. And if I say shoot, you'll notice that little voice icon thing appears here, and that's when you take a picture. Notice how it took a picture for me, took a picture of the pen for me when I say any of the following. Cheese, okay? And of course, in the video recording mode, record video. And you notice how it starts to record for you. So these are all voice commands, really useful, especially if you have something in your hands right now and you don't want to touch your display. And of course, the one where you have that floating shutter button. So this here can be moved around. So maybe you are just using one hand and you can only reach on this side of the camera right now. You can either use this to take a picture or this one here to take a picture. And these are the cool shooting method features that I would recommend everyone checking out, especially if you're new to Samsung phones and Samsung camera apps. And that's that. Like and sub.